believe this will be very beneficial, especially for the young minister's life. So keep this in mind, guys, that the victory is won hindi sa pagtayo natin sa pulpit. The victory is won in the secret place. So nakadepende yung tagumpay ng isang magmi-minister sa kung anong nangyari sa secret place. If you are defeated in the secret place, do not expect that God is going to give you victory in the pulpit. If in the private we have failed, don't expect that God is going to be with you in the public, because ministry must just be an overflow of what is happening in the private. So if you will exalt God privately, then He will use you to exalt His name even publicly. Walang ginamit si Lord na sa public nagsimula, tapos pagkatapos nun saka require ni Lord yung private. Hindi. We need to be grounded in the secret place before God can use us greatly in the public. So to all young ministers out there, decided na ang tagumpay mo bago ka pa pumunta sa pulpito, through the secret place.
Sure na, no?
So it's not about the intellectual words you are going to fire. It's not about the eloquence of your speech, but it's about your deep and total surrender in the secret place before God can even use you.
Yeah.